Hello guys, this is Animal Nature. Let's hear the sounds of wild and domestic animals. Sheep have long lived next to humans and are friends with them. The color of goat's wool can be white, red, brown and black. Tigers are the biggest wild cats. Lion is the second largest big cat. Horses are animals that have been living alongside humans for many centuries, helping them with their farming and serving as a good and faithful friend. Cows are very useful pets. They give people milk, meat and skin. A pig is an omnivore. It eats absolutely everything. The length of the giraffe's tongue is about 50 centimeters. Most parrots are very brightly colored, with the most popular color being grassy green. Butterflies are very diverse. Koalas exist only in Australia. Chicken is important for human life because it's a source of nutritious eggs and meat. The elephant is the second largest animal in the world. In the world, more people die from being hit in the head by a coconut than from shark attacks. Hyenas are easy to train. An adult panda eats up to 30 kilos of bamboo per day. The cat is the one of the pets that is favorite of children and is found in almost every home. Leopards have very good hearing. Hunting of these animals is prohibited in all countries where they are found. In Australia, there are more kangaroos than people. The octopus is the only animal with 3 hearts. Crab teeth are in their stomachs. Suricats live in large families of up to 50 individuals. A camel can drink up to 200 liters of water.